Hey there, welcome to our tutorial on how to create talking avatar videos using different tools. Something really great about this tutorial is that I'm going to provide you with some resources so that way you can make this video without spending any money. I will be using a few tools that we have paid for. However, I will provide you with some additional resources that you can use or some Google searches that you can do to be able to make this video completely free. So let's get started. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Canva and create a new video. And right here I have found an image that I really like. What I like about this image is that this person here has a pretty neutral smile on their face, and I think that's going to work really well with the tool that we use to make their mouth move. So I'm going to use this. However, I don't like that he's standing outside. You can't really tell where he is. I want him to be in more of an office setting. So I am going to remove the background. You can remove the background in images using Canva Pro. If you don't have Canva Pro or you no longer have a free trial available, you can use websites like remove.bg, PhotoRoom, or even erase.bg. Or you could just Google free image background remover and there are tons of options that pop up. I'm going to start by going to edit photo and remove this background. Now I'm going to find a background that I like. So I'm just going to go into Canva Elements. And let's find a background. Now that I have my image the way I like it, I've added our logo. I'm going to download this as a PNG, and I'm just going to hold on to that until I'm ready to put it into the AI software that's going to make it talk. There are a couple different tools I'm going to use to get this avatar to talk. The first one being ChatGPT to create a video script for us. Once in ChatGPT, I'm going to ask for it to generate a short message for me. I think my goal of this video is going to be welcoming new hires to a team. So the picture of the person standing with their arms crossed, I'm going to have them say something along the lines of, "Welcome to the company, we're happy to have you." So that's perfect. I'm just going to copy that. And now I'm going to go over to Well Said. Well Said is probably by far my favorite AI speech generator. We do have a subscription for Well Said, but some other options if you don't want to use their free trial is Speechify or Murph AI, or you can Google text-to-speech generators and pick from a ton of options there. So I'm just going to take what we had in ChatGPT and paste it here in Well Said, and I'm going to generate this audio clip. And I'm going to listen to it to make sure it sounds good. And now we're going to go over to DID. This is what we're going to use for making our avatar talk. So I actually just have a free trial. And I'm just going to click Create Video and add our image. And after I've added the image and it's uploaded, we are going to upload our audio. Once we have our audio uploaded, the next step is to just generate the video, and then we will see it in action. So I just watched the video and it looks great. My next step is I'm going to download it. We're going to take it back into Canva and make a couple edits, maybe a beginning and an end slide, and then we'll play it all the way through so you can see the final product.
Welcome to the team. We're thrilled to have you on board and excited to embark on this journey together. Your unique skills and perspectives will undoubtedly contribute to our collective success. We believe in fostering a collaborative and inclusive environment where everyone's ideas are valued, so don't hesitate to share your thoughts and insights. Get ready to make a positive impact, learn, grow, and create amazing things as part of our dynamic team. Once again, welcome, and let's achieve great things together.
So there you have it. There is our talking avatar using mostly free tools or free trials to create all of those elements. The next step would be to make your video accessible by creating your transcript. Some tools that you can use there, free ones, would be Otter AI, Descript.com, Parrot AI. That's something that you can type into Google and find as well. And there are endless possibilities with this. So I hope that this video has given you a little bit of insight to be creative and use AI to create some really cool stuff. If you enjoyed this video or you found it helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button or visit us on our website at tpotterdesign.com for more.